Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful treat just in time for Halloween festivities. If you're a fan of hot chocolate and enjoy adding a touch of magic to your celebrations, you're in for a treat. Introducing the best Halloween hot chocolate bombs available in the market. These enchanting treats aren't just delicious, they're a whole experience. These Halloween-themed hot chocolate bombs are crafted to perfection. Each one is meticulously made to deliver not only a rich cocoa flavor but also a mesmerizing display as it melts away to reveal hidden surprises inside. As you pour warm milk over these beauties, they slowly dissolve, releasing marshmallows, sprinkles, or even ghoulish shapes that add an extra layer of fun to your drinking experience. What makes these hot chocolate bombs stand out? Well, aside from their eye-catching Halloween designs, they're made from premium cocoa and quality ingredients. Perfect for those chilly autumn evenings or as a delightful treat during Halloween parties. Whether you're hosting a spooky movie night or simply craving a cozy moment by the fireplace, these hot chocolate bombs promise to elevate your Halloween experience. Let me show you how easy it is to enjoy these treats. Simply heat up your milk, place one of these bombs in your mug, pour the milk over it, and watch as the magic unfolds. Stir gently to mix in the melted chocolate and enjoy a sip of pure indulgence. So, whether you're treating yourself or surprising your guests this Halloween, these hot chocolate bombs are sure to bring smiles and warmth. Check the description box below for more details and where to get your hands on these delightful treats. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, stay warm and enjoy the spooky season with a sip of magic.